Hello friends, English dictation 120 words per minute. Start. Journalism is one of the most effective tools for the rapid transformation of society. When the publication of the first Hindi newspaper Udatt Martanda began its motto was for the interest of Indians. The value of journalism is distinctly embedded in his phrase. Journalism aims to safeguard the interest of the common citizens. It was started in India with the goal of development, and in its long journey, the media has proven that it is the fourth pillar of democracy in the true sense. The development of newspaper in India began in 1780 when James Augustus Hickey launched India's first newspaper, Bengal Gazette, in English, published in Kolkata. This newspaper was founded on Hickey's tenacity, passion, and standing for the truth. Its motto was open to all yet not influenced by anyone. He declared his objective: I enjoy shackling myself for the freedom of my mind and spirit. Hickey was the first journalist of India who fought with the British government for the freedom of the press. Media has played a significant role in awakening social consciousness since the time of the independence movement. Be it any country in the world, the media has always been a vehicle of change and consciousness. It has a critical role in spreading awareness and creating a public opinion on any prevalent issue. The media, on one hand, acts as a communication link between the government and the public, while on the other hand, it also keeps a check on the functioning of the government. The media has a vital role in communicating the problems and issues of the people to the government. It is for this reason that even today people look up to the media with hope. Para. The role of media has also changed over time. The communication revolution has contributed the most to this. However, this has also brought forth the challenge of factual representation before the media. In the prevailing scenario of a conflict between credibility and popularity, diversity of views, differences, and disagreements is also of great importance in democratic system. By bringing together the ideas of all concerned people, the media allows them to understand and analyze them. If you observe in the context of New India, media or mass media reflects the actual situation of any society or country. The power of media can be gauged through its wide reach. This autonomy and independence also brings to the media a tremendous responsibility towards the country and society. Change is the law of nature, and this law applies to all the ideas, concepts, objects of this world, man, environment, and nature itself. This change results from human reactions to new situation. New situation and challenges give rise to new technologies. Nowadays, information technology has completely transformed the world. Stop.